solve 15x cube plus 31x square minus 4 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 15x cube in place of plus 31x square, now I write plus 30x square plus 1x square minus 4 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 15x square. So from this 15x square out you get x, plus from this 15x square out you get 2. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is plus 1. You get as it is, no change, equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here. That is x square minus 4 equal to x square minus, in place of 4 I write 2 square. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square. That is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have x, in place of b 2. So we get x minus 2 times x plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 15x square x plus 2 plus 1, in place of this 1, x minus 2 times x plus 2 equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is x plus 2. So x plus 2 outside. Here we are left with 15x square. And over here we are left with these two, that is plus 1 times x minus 2 equal to 0. Now x plus 2, 15x square, now we open up the brackets, we get plus 1x minus 2 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here, that is 15x square plus x minus 2. Now to factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 1x. So in place of plus 1x, now I write plus 6x minus 5x minus 2. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 3x. From this 3x out you get 5x, plus from this 3x out you get 2. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 5x gone inside, so outside we get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 5x plus 2 common. So here you have 3x and here minus 1. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x plus 2, in place of this one, 5x plus 2, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. More, here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is x plus 2 equal to 0, 5x plus 2 equal to 0, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. You get x equal to minus 2. Now here I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. We get 5x equal to minus 2. Now I should remove 5, so divide by 5. We get x equal to minus 2 by 5. Now here I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 3x equal to 1. Now I should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to 1 by 3. So the x values that we got are minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 3. This is our answer.